Today, I want to share the recipe for these exquisite sugar-free bonbons or bites. I found this recipe on the internet, and it seemed like a healthy and delicious option for my little girl's birthday. We prefer a homemade and healthier treat. Today, we're making it for the second time to share it with you. We soak 300 grams of dates in hot water for about 15 or 20 minutes to soften them. We'll use peanuts, but you can use walnuts, almonds, or any nut you prefer. 200 grams of peanuts. We grind them with a blender or food processor. Then we drain the water from the dates and remove the pit or inner seed. We chop them a little. And we put them in the blender or food processor to make a dough. We need to blend the ingredients. We cut it into 3 equal parts. Please subscribe to my channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And we make 3 long rolls. To give it a nice finish, we will use whole sesame seeds. I lightly toasted them so they have a much richer flavor. We add the sesame seeds, this way. I would really like you to tell me which video was it that you found me through? Then, with the help of a rounded stick, we will make a groove in the middle. We will use 100 grams of sugar-free white chocolate. I got mine on Mercado Libre, but if not, you can also use 70% dark chocolate. We melt it in a double boiler and fill the mold like this. I let the white chocolate get a bit too hot, so it's harder, but that's okay. It's best if the water in the double boiler, where we heat the chocolate, doesn't go over 60 degrees. With chocolate of another color, can we make some designs on them to make them look prettier? Then we refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. Now we're going to cut them and place them in paper liners. And look how beautiful they turn out.